Hello, good day everyone. In today's question, we have two squares, and we can see this side AB bisect this line ST. We have the area of this triangle to be 9 meters squared, and we have to calculate the blue area without using any calculator. So how can we solve this? It is actually very simple. Starting from this line ST, which was bisected by line AB, if we assume the length of this part to be x, this must also be x. And from the square, since we have the length of this side to be 2x, this and this must also be 2x. Now recall the formula for calculating the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Since the area of this triangle is 9 meters squared, we equate it to 1/2 base times height. Now 1/2 base times height equal to 9 meters squared. This triangle is a right angle triangle. If we take this side as the base, this must be the height. So b equal to x and height equal to 2x. If we substitute here, now 1/2 times x times 2x equal to 9 meters squared. 1/2 times x is 1/2x, and 1/2x times 2x is x squared. Now x squared equal to 9 meters squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square root cancels square, and here square root of 9 meters squared is the same as the square root of 9 times square root of meters squared. Square root of 9 is 3, and square root of meters squared is meters. 3 times meters is 3 meters. So x equal to 3 meters. If we substitute here now, 2 times 3 meters is 6 meters. Now say from this triangle, this is its hypotenuse because it is the side facing the right angle. Recall the Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the two other sides. So based on that, the square of this hypotenuse here must be equal to the square of this plus the square of this. That is, hypotenuse square equal to 6 meters all squared plus 3 meters all squared. 6 meters all squared is 36 meters squared, and 3 meters all squared is 9 meters squared. That 6 meters squared plus 9 meters squared is 45 meters squared. So hypotenuse squared equal to 45 meters squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square cancels square root, and here square root of 45 meters squared. Since 45 meters squared is the same as 9 meters squared times 5, now that is square root of 9 meters squared times square root of 5. Square root of 9 meters squared is 3 meters, and 3 meters times root 5 is 3 root 5 meters. So this hypotenuse is 3 root 5 meters. Now if you look, this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. So if we let this be theta, this must also be theta. Now if you notice, this triangle and this triangle both have a right angle and an angle theta. That is, they are similar. So if we take the ratio of their sides, assuming this side is y, this 3 root 5 meters over this 3 meters must be equal to this 3 meters over this y. So 3 root 5 meters over 3 meters equal to 3 meters over y. Here meters cancels meters, and 3 cancels 3. So root 5 equal to 3 meters. Multiplying both sides by y, here y cancels y. Then we divide both sides by root 5. And therefore here root 5 will cancel root 5. Now y equal to 3 meters over root 5. 3 meters over root 5 is the same as 3 meters over root 5 all multiplied by 1. And we know 1 is also root 5 over root 5. 3 meters times root 5 is 3 root 5 meters, and root 5 times root 5 is 5. So y equal to 3 root 5 meters over 5. That is, the length of this side is 3 root 5 meters over 5. Since this is the hypotenuse of this triangle, if we let this be z and apply the Pythagorean theorem, 3 meters all squared is equal to 3 root 5 meters over 5 all squared plus z squared. 3 meters all squared is 9 meters squared. 3 root 5 meters all over 5, if you square it, is the same as 3 squared times square root of 5 all squared times meters squared all over 5 squared. 3 squared is 9, root 5 squared is 5. Here 5 squared is 5 times 5, so this 5 will eliminate this 5. Now 9 meters squared equal to 9 meters squared over 5 plus z squared. We subtract 9 meters squared over 5 from both sides. Now z squared equal to 9 meters squared minus 9 meters squared over 5. 9 meters squared minus 9 meters squared over 5, if you simplify, is 9 meters squared times 5 minus 9 meters squared over 5. 9 meters squared times 5 is 45 meters squared. And 45 meters squared minus 9 meters squared is 36 meters squared. So z equal to 36 meters squared over 5. If you take the square root of both sides, z equal to square root of 36 meters squared all over 5. The square root of 36 meters squared all over 5 is the same as square root of 36 meters squared over square root of 5. Square root of 36 meters squared is 6 meters. So z equal to 6 meters over root 5. If we multiply that by root 5 over root 5, here 6 meters times root 5 is 6 root 5 meters. And here root 5 times root 5 is 5. So z equal to 6 root 5 meters over 5. Now from this square, if we subtract the area of this quadrilateral and this triangle, we're going to be left with the blue area. So let's say this is P and this is Q. That is area of blue equal to area of square minus area of P minus area of Q. If we take this triangle now, if this is the base and this is the height, its area will be 1 over 2 times 3 root 5 meters over 5 times 6 root 5 meters over 5. 1 over 2 times 3 root 5 meters over 5 is 3 root 5 meters over 10. 3 root 5 meters over 10 times 6 root 5 meters all over 5 is 3 root 5 meters times 6 root 5 meters all over 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50. And 3 root 5 meters times 6 root 5 meters is 18 times 5 meters squared. And 18 times 5 meters squared is 90 meters squared. 90 meters squared over 50 is 1.8 meters squared. We substitute here. Now this square, if you look, has one of its length to be 6 meters. And we know the area of a square is calculated by the square of the length of one of its sides. That is, the area of this square here is 6 meters all squared. 6 meters all squared is 36 meters squared. Now from this, if you subtract this 9 meters squared, we're going to be left with the area of Q. So Q equal to 36 meters squared minus 9 meters squared, which is 27 meters squared. We substitute here. Minus 1.8 meters squared minus 27 meters squared is minus 28.8 meters squared. So area of blue is equal to area of squared minus 28.8 meters squared. Now what is the area of the square? The length of one of its sides is the sum of this and this. That is 3 root 5 meters over 5 plus 3 root 5 meters. If we simplify this into one fraction, it will be 3 root 5 meters plus 3 root 5 meters times 5 all over 5. 3 root 5 meters times 5 is 15 root 5 meters. And 3 root 5 meters plus 15 root 5 meters is 18 root 5 meters. So the length of the side of the square is 18 root 5 meters over 5. Therefore, the area of the square will be the square of the length. That is 18 root 5 meters all over 5 all squared, which is equivalent to 18 squared root 5 meters squared all over 5 squared. 18 squared is 18 times 18, which I will say is the same as 18 times 10 plus 18 times 8. And 18 times 8 is also 18 times 5 plus 18 times 3. 18 times 10 is 180, 18 times 5 is 90, and 18 times 3 is 54. 180 plus 90 is 270, 270 plus 54 is 325. So L squared equal to 325 root 5 meters all squared all over 5 squared. Root 5 meters all squared is 5 meters, and 5 squared is 5 times 5. So this 5 will cancel this 5. We now have 325 meters squared over 5. What I'll do now, I'll multiply this by 2 over 2, because 2 over 2 is 1 and that doesn't change anything. 324 meters squared times 2 is 648 meters squared, and 2 times 5 is 10. 648 meters squared over 10 is 64.8 meters squared. So area of the square is 64.8 meters squared. If we substitute here now, area of blue equal to 64.8 meters squared minus 28.8 meters squared, which is 36 meters squared. So the blue area which we are asked to calculate without using any calculator is 36 meters squared. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. and also turn the notification button for this channel. Thank you.